Today we're going to talk about this Silo Halo Adjustable Stand Live Stream Kit. Basically, I'm going to be unboxing this item and also giving some of my opinion and giving some pricing and actually putting this item together. So before I start, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, subscribe to my channel as I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. If I've added value to you on this video, please leave like and leave comments. I always respond to comments and I love reading them. So let's get started. Let's unbox this baby. Before I do that, this is the front and this is the back. Basically, this is from Silo, Halo Adjustable Stand Live Stream Light. And basically, it's great for vlogging and it comes with three colors, cold light, mixed light, and warm light. I also have a 5 feet cable. So let's unbox this item. Alright, so this item's right here, as you can see. So the first item we want to get out is the ring light. So this is your ring light. It's a 10-inch ring light. It comes with a USB for power, and it has a remote control, on-off power button, the different lighting, 3-tone in the middle, and then the plus and minus is when you're in specific lighting, where it's the cold light, the mixed light, or the warm light, is you want the brightness level to go up or down. You'll click the minus for down, plus to go up. So this is it right here. We'll put that aside. Next thing is the tripod. So this is the tripod right here. This is the legs. Boom. Let's test it out. See? And then we have the phone holder stand, which is this right here, which they already have attached to the phone holder right here. Now the phone holder is adjustable and secure grip. That's the type of phone holder you get. So let's put a phone in there. It's an old iPhone I had. There you go. Let's take it back out. Now this phone holder stand right here that's already attached there, this is a 360 degrees flexible gooseneck. So you can actually turn it 360 if you like. It's very flexible. And then next we have the tripod head. This is your tripod head, and basically this is what's going to be attaching everything. Your ring light, 10-inch, your tripod on here. Okay. Now your ring light is going to go on top of this screw right here. But you always want to tighten this. This is loosen it for you to change the different directions you want your ring light to be. Once you have it set, you want to tighten this button here so that it stays that direction that you like. Just put this to the side. So some of the things that it's hands-free, like once you have this set up, you can actually go ahead and, vlog and take pictures and stuff. So I've already put the phone holder stand and phone holder together onto the ring light, which you screw on here. Next, opposite side of it, there's another hole right here. This is where your tripod head goes in, which is right here. This right here. So you're gonna just screw this side in there. Ooh, there you go. It's really heavy and it's metal. I think you heard that, right? Okay, there we go. All right, so it's secure in there already, as you can see. Yeah, the ring light is really secure. Next, you get your tripod and you screw it on the bottom of the tripod head. Screw this in. And then everything's already set up. So when it's set up, it's like this. Tripod head, tripod ring light, phone holder stand, and phone holder. This is your power plug here. Let's open the tripod legs and let's line it up. So there you go. This is pretty much how it looks like. So you have everything here that you see. We can actually add the phone to it. And again, this is very flexible. Turn this over here. Stick the phone in there and boom, you have it here. I'll put this to the side. I'm going to plug in the power so I can show you the remote control and what it does. So plugged in the power, and you can tell because this thing turns blue. On and off switch. Click on, ring light comes on. I think this right here is probably going to be your warm light, mixed light, and cold light. So with the cold light, let's dim it down. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's increase it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's like a 10 brightness levels. And basically some features of this is USB connection, inline controller, 120 LED lights, warm, cold, white, light mode, inline controller, USB power input, 5 volt, 1A, no more than 2A power supply for this, 10-inch ring light, and 17-inch in height. The cable to plug in for power is 5 feet cable length. Basically, when you get power, you can plug it either into one of these adapters you have on the wall and stick it into there, the USB in the back other side of it, or just stick it directly into your laptop. You do that, then you can also get power. So I'm going to remove this phone right here. There we go. And as you can see, this is your ring light assembled. Now, what is the pricing on this? Probably like $25. That's what you're probably paying for retail. You can probably find it at your retail big box stores, such as like Marshall's, Ross, TJ Maxx, or even maybe in Target. You can get it for probably $16, $17 around there. Quality is not bad. It's great for beginners. It's great to use just to have something that you want to use on the go. So you do a lot of traveling from place to place, whether you're doing your vlogging or your videos, pictures at Starbucks, or you're doing it at any other locations. This is great to have. It's compact and small. Now, it's not like something that if you're doing professional stuff, you might want to get something higher end, but I think it's great just if you want to get videos on, put them on the video channels like YouTube, Instagram, and a bunch of other ones. So it does the stuff. It has 3 modes of color, lighting, and then also has the brightness levels 10 for each of those lighting modes. Now, for my opinion, would I get this? I probably would if I was starting out. But I think at some point you do want to get something that's a little bit more expensive if you want to when you're doing more and more videos. As this is something that's great just for like, cosmetics, vlogging, some basic stuff. But you want to do more of like presenting products and stuff. You might want to get more lighting. One other thing I noticed about this lighting is that there's a hook right here. So you can actually have a screw on the wall and you can hang this on the wall actually. This lighting. So I just wanted to point that out too. All in all, like I said, it's a great starter. Let me know if you have one of these, if you like it, how long you used it, how long did it last for you. Let me know. Like again, there's 3 modes to it. If you need more features, you might want to get something else. But I think just these 3 features itself is suitable, is enough to start your videos and vlogging or pictures, whether you're at home, using your desktop, or at Starbucks or at a coffee shop. So just wanted to put that out there. Any questions, feel free to leave me some comments. If this video added value to you, hit the like button. And once again, as I said before, please subscribe to my channel as I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. And I'm uploading new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Thank you.